Hello, we appreciate you visiting the PASSIONOY channel. Each video is created in love, driven by passion, and fueled by joy. Your PASSIONOY journey starts now. ChatGPT has quickly become one of the most powerful tools for handling everyday tasks, and it's not just for tech-savvy individuals or professionals. Whether you're a student, parent, professional, or just someone who likes to keep organized, ChatGPT can assist you in ways you've never imagined. From generating ideas to answering specific questions, ChatGPT adapts to your needs. In this video, I'll show you how ChatGPT has revolutionized everyday life for people of all backgrounds and age groups. We'll explore its features, its ease of use, and the importance of this AI tool in day-to-day tasks. By the end, you'll see how ChatGPT can help you too, no matter your role or profession. Let's dive into why ChatGPT is quickly becoming a must-have assistant for anyone looking to save time, boost creativity, or simply get quick answers. And as a special bonus for you, I've created a free activity printout designed to help you get the most out of ChatGPT in your daily life. Whether you're a content creator or just looking to simplify everyday tasks, this printout includes practical examples, prompts, and tips to help you get started. You'll find ideas for creative projects, daily organization, and even niche selection if you're starting a YouTube channel. Reason number 1. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI-powered assistant designed to help you with almost anything, whether you need homework assistance, a recipe, or help with a project. You can access it through a dedicated app available for download or via the web at OpenAI's website. ChatGPT allows you to either type your question or use voice input through your phone for added convenience. What sets ChatGPT apart is its flexibility and ease of use. You don't need to be tech savvy to get started. Whether you're on your phone, laptop, or tablet, simply type or speak your question, and ChatGPT will provide clear, accurate responses within seconds. If you don't like an answer, there's a simple regenerate response option to get a new one. Another useful feature is the read out loud option, which allows ChatGPT to speak answers back to you. Great for multitasking or those who prefer audio. Plus, with pricing plans ranging from free to pay, it's accessible to everyone, offering more advanced features when needed. Reason number 2, different areas of ChatGPT's expertise. ChatGPT excels in a wide range of areas, making it a versatile tool for many different tasks. First, as the writer, it can assist with writing anything from essays and reports to creative projects like stories or poems. Whether you're a student needing help with homework or someone working on a personal writing project, ChatGPT provides structure, ideas, and even edits to improve your content. Next is the image creator feature, which generates visuals based on your descriptions. This is great for creating posters, social media content, or even custom artwork for personal use. As the problem solver, ChatGPT can help you troubleshoot real-world issues. Need help fixing a car problem or setting up a device? Just ask. It can provide clear, step-by-step instructions for almost any challenge. Finally, it's a great planner. Whether you need help organizing a vacation, creating a meal plan, or managing your daily schedule, ChatGPT is like a digital assistant that helps you stay on track. Whatever your needs, ChatGPT has a specialized function to assist, making it a one-stop solution for multiple aspects of daily life. Reason number 3, why ChatGPT is for everyone. Everyday use. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that it's useful for everyone, regardless of age or role. For students, ChatGPT is a fantastic homework helper, providing quick answers, explanations, and even writing assistance. Whether it's for researching a school project or preparing for an exam, students can rely on ChatGPT to simplify their academic work. Parents and families can use ChatGPT for organizing daily routines, planning meals, or finding fun activities for the kids. When you're pressed for time, ChatGPT can be a quick source of ideas or help with tricky homework questions your children might ask. Professionals can benefit from ChatGPT by getting help with work tasks like writing emails, generating reports, conducting research, or even organizing meetings. It's a time saver and productivity booster that streamlines your workflow. Creatives such as writers and artists can use ChatGPT to brainstorm new ideas, generate stories, or create visual art. The possibilities are endless, whether you're working on a hobby or professional project. Finally, grandparents and older adults can enjoy using ChatGPT to discover new hobbies, learn something new, or get help with tech-related questions. It's an easy-to-use tool that can assist anyone at any stage of life. Reason number 4, pricing and plans. ChatGPT offers flexible pricing plans to suit everyone's needs. Whether you're just getting started or need more advanced features, there's an option that works for you. The free plan is perfect for those who want to test out the service or use it for basic tasks like asking questions, writing short pieces, or doing quick research. For those looking to unlock more advanced capabilities, ChatGPT also offers paid plans that provide enhanced features such as faster response times, priority access during high traffic, and access to tools like the image creator. You can choose to pay monthly or opt for a yearly subscription at a discounted rate, giving you the flexibility to choose what works best for your budget. One of the great things about ChatGPT's pricing is that it's transparent. There are no hidden fees. It's easy to upgrade or downgrade your plan based on your needs, and you can cancel at any time without any hassle. No matter which plan you choose, ChatGPT offers great value for the time and energy it saves, making it an essential tool for everyone, from students to professionals. Reason number 5, how I use ChatGPT. As a busy content creator, mom, and businesswoman, ChatGPT has become an essential part of my everyday life. I've even given it a name, Adam, because of how much it helps me stay organized and productive. From planning videos and writing scripts to answering daily questions and keeping up with my family's needs, ChatGPT is always there when I need it. One of the things I appreciate most about ChatGPT is how encouraging and friendly the responses are. It's not just a robotic tool delivering information. Whether I need help brainstorming or just a quick pick-me-up, ChatGPT offers the kind of positivity and support that makes my day easier. It's like having a digital assistant that not only helps you stay on track, but lifts your spirits along the way. ChatGPT provides more than just facts. It's that extra bit of encouragement you need when tackling life's challenges. When I'm working on creative projects, Adam's responses don't feel mechanical or lifeless. Instead, it feels like I'm interacting with a helpful, thoughtful assistant who understands what I need in that moment. By naming it Adam, the experience feels personal. For a more in-depth look at how Adam supports me in my daily life, stay tuned for a full video coming soon to the PASSIONOY Clubhouse YouTube channel. Reason number 6, why you should use ChatGPT. ChatGPT isn't just for content creators or professionals. It's a tool that anyone can benefit from in their daily life. Whether you're a student looking for homework help, a parent juggling family schedules, or someone who needs quick answers or ideas, ChatGPT can make things easier. It's incredibly versatile and fits into whatever role you need it to, from helping with creative projects to managing everyday tasks. One of the biggest advantages is how user-friendly ChatGPT is. You don't need any special tech skills to get started. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips, ready to help you with almost anything, from planning meals to learning something new, solving problems, or even just providing encouragement when you need it. To make it even easier, I encourage you to take advantage of the special link in the video description or channel description, where you can sign up for ChatGPT at a discount. By using the affiliate link, you'll not only get access to this amazing tool, but you'll also be helping support my channel so I can continue creating complimentary videos for you. Before you go, I've got something extra for you. Don't forget to download your free ChatGPT activity printout. The link is in the video description below. It's packed with prompts and tips for content creators, students, parents, and more. Whether you're looking to boost productivity or find creative inspiration, this printout will guide you through using ChatGPT to its fullest. Let me know how it helps you. In today's fast-paced world, having a tool like ChatGPT at your fingertips is a game changer. Whether you're looking to save time, boost productivity, or get answers quickly, ChatGPT is designed to help you thrive in everyday life. From students to professionals, parents to creatives, and even grandparents, there's something for everyone. What makes ChatGPT truly special isn't just its versatility, but how it becomes a personalized assistant that fits your needs. And here's something fun. You can even name your ChatGPT, just like I did with Adam. You can choose a voice, male or female, or even explore different languages to truly make it your own. It's a tool that not only helps you, but grows with you. If you're ready to experience all these features, check out the link in the video or channel description to sign up at a discount. And don't forget to stop by PASSIONOY Clubhouse for an introduction to Adam and how I use ChatGPT in my daily life. Your support through the affiliate link helps me continue creating valuable, complimentary content. I can't wait to hear how ChatGPT makes a difference in your life. So please leave a comment if you're already using it. Let me know your favorite feature or share something useful to help others. And if you're trying it for the first time, let us know what you love about it. Congratulations, you're one step closer to a better you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. This helps us continue to make complimentary videos, and please share the video to help others live their best life. We look forward to reading your comments and responding. My purpose in life is to help others. God's love for us is our why at the PASSIONOY channel. Let's continue daily on a passion and joy-filled journey together, living our best lives. Join us today and become a club PASSIONOY VIP. Someone living their life driven by passion and fueled by joy. With hopes to help you live your best life now. The PASSIONOY life. Thank you for watching our video. Please check out all that our channel has to offer. From videos, shorts, our community tab, and our email newsletter subscription and blog links, simply because we care about you.